I am an HVAC service technician with 17 years in the field and a background as a nuclear power electrician. I have installed and repaired many packaged gas units outdoors, and today we are looking at two entry-level models: the Bryant 575C and the Amana APGM3 R-32. On paper, both sit in the basic category and offer similar efficiency, but practical differences in warranty and design affect your wallet over time. Most homeowners ask which system will save the most money on monthly utilities, but for basic packaged gas units, efficiency differences are often negligible. What truly matters is total cost of ownership, how long core components last, what happens when something fails, and whether parts are locked behind dealer networks. The single biggest difference between these two units comes down to the refrigerant and the heat exchanger warranty coverage. The Bryant 575C uses R-454B refrigerant and carries a standard lifetime heat exchanger warranty for the original owner. The Amana APGM3 uses R-32 refrigerant and backs its heat exchanger with a lifetime warranty. Both units deliver 81% AFUE on the gas heating side, meaning 81 cents of every dollar spent on fuel becomes heat, while 19 cents goes out the flue. On the cooling side, both models are rated at 13.4 SEER, which measures electrical efficiency for cooling during hot months. Because both units share identical base efficiency ratings, your seasonal utility bills will be practically identical regardless of which one is installed. Both models feature single-stage gas valves, single-stage compressors, and single-speed blowers. Single-stage heating and cooling means the equipment runs at 100% capacity whenever it turns on, operating like a simple on-off switch. While multi-stage or variable speed systems offer smoother temperature control, these single-stage setups keep electrical controls simpler. Simple controls mean fewer circuit boards and electronic components that can fail, which keeps long-term service calls straightforward and affordable. Both systems feature louvered cabinet panels to protect the outdoor condenser coils from hail, lawnmowers, and yard debris. However, both brands require an authorized dealer for installation to keep warranty terms fully intact. Cleaning the outdoor coil, inspecting burner flames, and checking safety switches matters far more than the logo on the metal cabinet. A basic unit installed flawlessly with proper airflow and duct connections will easily outperform a top-tier system installed poorly. Current market pricing for 3-ton models typically ranges between $4,500 and $6,500 for the Bryant 575C, while the Amana APGM3 generally runs between $4,200 and $6,000. The Bryant 575C is a great fit for homeowners who want a proven name brand from Carrier's parent family with wide distributor support. The Amana APGM3 is ideal for homeowners seeking solid baseline performance with potential savings on the upfront equipment quote. If it were my house, I would lean toward the Amana APGM3 because both units offer identical 81% AFUE and 13.4 SEER, while the Amana typically has a lower entry price.